Module 8, fundamental form. Module 8 is one of the last modules for color belts. Now we can block, so purple, blue, brown, red all work on the same materials, but it's one of the highest modules. And it's at the end of it because what we're focusing on is our power, our precision, and our hip mobility. We want to make sure that we can move our hips flexibly and naturally to be able to do fancy moves. So we've got powerful strikes, powerful kicks, some fancy kicks that we wouldn't use for self-defense, but they look good, and then a typical Taekwondo two-step jump side kick that everybody's supposed to know how to do anyway. So Module 8 starts off, I'm facing one direction, I'm mounted, I'm gonna go over my right shoulder, I'm gonna sense that there's somebody here, an attacker that's coming towards me, and instead of stepping away from them, I'm actually gonna step towards them and strike with that knife hand in a front stance. Followed by a punch, front kick, jump front kick. Now here's where the flash moves come in. I would not do these for actual self-defense, but we should know how to do a crescent kick. It's an outer crescent kick, followed by a jump spin outer crescent kick, and there should be 2 kicks in a row, not 2 kicks individually. So it's a 1, 2, and land. New guy, over my left shoulder, same exact combination. Knife hand punch, front kick, jump front kick, crescent, jump spin crescent. I'm gonna land facing at an angle. New guy, person over there, really just a flash move. 2-step jump side kick, left foot's in front, so my right foot's gonna be the one that's kicking. Laying there. Next opponent's to my left. He's striking at me. I'm gonna drop, strike to the groin with a vertical punch, and block with an open knife hand strike. Grab his head, knee strike, elbow. That guy's done. In case there's somebody behind me, I'm clearing with a crescent and step around so I'm on the other side. Only reason I added an extra step is so we can do the opposite side. Right foot's in front, left foot's in back, 2-step, jump side kick. Same thing here, block and strike. I'm gonna grab the head, knee strike, and elbow. In case somebody's behind me here, clear, and lay.